Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here. I am with Calvin Getz. He is the founder of Strategy Financial Group. Now, we've all heard of book smarts and street smarts, but let's talk about those tax smarts with our retirement.
Sure. Thanks, Jen. So tax smarts really reflects the idea of having money in different taxable buckets. So you want to think about money that's in a tax deferred bucket, like a retirement account, a 401k and IRA, or brokerage accounts, which you get a 1099 each year for interest and dividends and capital gains. And then you want to think about the final bucket, which is the tax-free bucket, which is typically Roth IRAs or different types of life insurance. And the real goal over time is to have money in each of these places so that you can choose in retirement where you're pulling money from, and you can actually control your tax rate that way.
So there's a lot to be thinking about. You can see how people get overwhelmed. That's why it's helpful to get some different resources just to help us learn a little bit more.
That's right. That's why we've created this kit, because tax rates are at all-time historic lows. And that creates a window of opportunity right now to reassess where you have your money, which of those three tax buckets it's in, so that you can really minimize your taxes in retirement. We may be retiring in a higher tax environment going forward. So the tools in this kit are designed to help you, whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time. I encourage you to get the kit now.
Right, that whole idea of potentially being able to save on taxes doesn't happen by accident.
That's right.
Helps to get that guidance and that planning. Call, text, or go online, and you can get Calvin's free retirement roadmap kit today. Calvin, thanks for joining me.
Thanks, Jen.
And thank you so much for watching this week's Retirement Report. We'll see you next time.